Okay, so this is looking pretty nice at the moment. We got a nice pattern lining up on the 15-minute. This is a textbook bullish divergence on HSI. Let's get the exact level for profit taking. Check my 382. 618. Here we go. Okay, now this, I don't know, I mean, we have so much momentum behind this move. We still haven't completed this pattern up here. It might be an early turn, but I feel like pretty convinced that we'll hit the 618 on this pattern without too much trouble in between. If it seemed a little more dicey, I would maybe just get my whole position off at the 382. Check the 3-minute. Looks pretty good. Oops. Okay, so 3-minute looks fine. Nothing too much to write home about there. A little bit of bullish HSI divergence. 5-minute looks very good. Let's peek at RSI just out of curiosity. Okay. Yeah, no buy signal on RSI. I mean, RSI is a fantastic indicator. It's really, really good. Really solid, but this is exactly where HSI comes into its element, is that it's giving you an entry. It's giving you a little bit more granular readings, is the way that I would describe it, which is perfect for trading harmonic patterns. Okay, so we're getting pretty close to the 382. So this is going to be my first decision. I'm going to have to wait if I want to hang in there for a test of overbought on the 5-minute, or if I should just grab it at the 382 and be done with it. It's the middle of the day. It's noon here in Central Time. So to me, that's kind of a justification to actually just take it at the 382. Especially after this big move. We had such a big, exhausting move. I'm thinking maybe I should just put it at 90.
Order submitted.
I said earlier I thought it would go to the 618, but I haven't got any other trades today off yet, so I think I'm just going to take this. It's not bad. Not a bad little scalp. It's not bad. It just needs a few more minutes. Here we go. I'm being pretty stubborn here. I mean, every time it's gotten to 89.75, it's bounced.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Of course. Just as it hits it, I move my order. That's okay.
Order canceled.
I'll tell you the reason I did that. Normally I wouldn't even move it that one tick. But we had this HSI reading here. So that justified me moving it down one tick to me. It had taken so long at this point to fill it up. But there you go. That's exactly what I would have expected to happen, ultimately. I just got impatient. But that's okay. Decent little scalp. Just a little 10-tick scalp there. Okay, so just wanted to update one more time on this trade right here. Sure enough, we did hit the 618, no problem. We didn't even really challenge the trend line all the way to that profit target. So that really would have been the perfect profit target for today. Again, I mean, with the intraday stuff, I'm totally fine with my decision to take it at the 382. But that would have turned out pretty nice. That would have been a pretty good trade if I had pulled that off. And it still looks pretty strong right now. So really, this is a pretty good candidate for making new highs, which is crazy. I mean, the levels we're at right now in the S&P, but so far we haven't gotten a lot of weakness. I mean, we had this pretty nice bearish divergence on HSI, but it really didn't line up with any pattern. Price only just briefly hesitated the slightest bit at this point and continued on. So, I mean, it's looking pretty strong to me at the moment. So it's interesting. It'll be interesting to see what happens next. But I just wanted to show how I could have managed this trade if I had chosen to. It would have been a pretty good candidate for either a 618 or even taking a partial at 382 or 618 and then managing it off of a trend line. So just wanted to finish up with that.